Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 1, 4, 5 and 6 from exercise 7.2. Find the cube root of the following: 27,000, 15,625 and 13,824. And you know that what you have to do, you have to find the prime factors of these numbers first to find the cube root of the following. Number is 27,000. You know that you can divide it by 2 and 3 both. So you can start from, I am starting from 3. 3 nines are 0, 0, 0. Again by 3, 3 threes are, again by 3, 1,000. Now you can divide it by 2. 2 fives are 10, 0, 0. Again by 2, 2, 5, 0. Again by 2, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 fives are. Now this number you can divide only by 5. So 5, 25s are 5, 5s are 5, 1s are. So these are the prime factors of 27,000. Now you have to write the number in this way: 27,000 equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 will come 3 times, 2 also 3 times, and 5 also 3 times. So you can see the triplet. You can write in this way: 3 cube, 2 cube and 5 cube. So cube root of 27,000 equal to cube root of 3 cube, 2 cube and 5 cube. So you know that as it is cube root, so out of same numbers you can take 1. 3 into 2 into 5, that is 30. So cube root of 27,000 is 30. Come to the next number. Next number is 15,625. As 5 is at the unit place, using divisibility rule you can divide it by 5 only. If you divide it by 5, you will get 3 5s are, 5 1s are. Then when we are dividing it by 5, we are getting 300, 125, again by 5, 625 by 5, 125 by 5, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1, 0, 5. Now we have to write the prime factors of 15,625. You can see that 2 triplets of 5. So we can write 5 cube into 5 cube. So cube root of 15,625 is equal to cube root of this one. You know that out of 3 we can take one number. So out of one triplet I have taken 1 5, and out of this next triplet I have taken another 5. So the result is 25. So cube root of 15625 is equal to 25. Come to the next sum. 13,824. You have to find the cube root of this number. The same way we have to find the prime factors of this number, and you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 twos are there, and one triplet of 3. So we have written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then another pair of 3. So you can write 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube, because 3 triplets are there by of 2 and 1 of 3. Therefore cube root of 13,824 equal to cube root of 2 cube 2 cube 2 cube into 3 cube. So out of 3 you can take one number. So from one triplet 1, another triplet and another triplet. So 3 triplets of 2 were there, and I have taken 3 from one from each, and then it is 3. The number is 24. You can write 3 8s are 24. So the cube root of 13,824 is 24. I hope this will be easy for you. Practice it. Thank you, students.